Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the playing surface stable and centered. First, mark the 17.75 diameter on your backing board and cut carefully with a jigsaw. This creates a perfect round base. Once done, drill pilot holes for mounting the sisal or plywood and attach adhesive in a spiral outward motion so the surface bonds evenly. Make sure to clamp and let cure. Adhesive strength prevents warping and keeps scoring accurate during play. You now form the scoring geometry. Measure 20 equal 18 degrees segments and transfer the marks to the board so scoring is uniform. Next, place the metal spider or thin gauge wire along those lines, bending gently and fastening with small nails or staples. Correct tension reduces bounce outs. Once the wire is secure, attach or paint the numbers in sequence and verify that the bull and double rings align to regulation. You finish by smoothing edges and sealing the surface to extend life and reduce stray fibers. Allow at least 24 hours to cure. Then measure 5/8 from the floor to the board center, mark wall studs, and mount with a heavy-duty anchor or bracket so the board won't shift during play. If you experience frequent bounce outs, make sure the spider sits flush. Once done, tighten or replace any loose wires and retest throws to confirm consistent scoring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.